Smart homes integrate technology into various aspects of a residence, automating tasks and providing convenience. They typically include systems for lighting control, security, temperature regulation, and entertainment. The demand for smart home systems is growing rapidly due to increased digital connectivity. High-speed internet and wireless networks make it easier to connect devices. Convenience and automation are also key factors. Smart homes offer automated lights, appliances, and security systems, freeing up time and reducing stress. Energy efficiency is another driver, as smart thermostats and other systems can optimize energy usage and reduce utility bills. Common smart home systems include lighting control, where smart lights can be controlled remotely, scheduled to turn on or off, and change color. Security systems are another feature, including motion sensors, cameras, and door locks that can be monitored and controlled remotely. Temperature regulation is also important, with smart thermostats allowing for remote control and automated temperature adjustments. Entertainment systems are included, integrating home theaters, music systems, and streaming services into a single interface. Other systems incorporated are smart appliances, such as refrigerators and ovens, voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and home management apps. The revenue generated from smart home wiring depends on various factors. Firstly, the region, because the market for smart homes varies by geographic location. Secondly, the target audience, because high-end homes with a demand for luxury and convenience are more likely to invest in smart home systems. Thirdly, the services offered, where additional services such as design, installation, and ongoing support can increase revenue potential. Smart home wiring can generate a significant portion of revenue for electrical contractors. The demand for smart home systems is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. Contractors with expertise in smart home technology and a focus on high-end homes can capitalize on this market.